Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today in this video we will see total 5 job opportunities. Okay, so let us check one by one. Okay, then I will provide these links in the description box below as well. First one is software QA engineer. This recruitment is from Qualys company. Okay, so they have posted this job opportunity. Job location is Pune, India. If you want to apply, you can apply from here, and for this position fresher can apply for this position. Description, please read this at least once. Responsibilities: okay, work closely with the product and development teams to identify, communicate defects and monitor resolution, and author complete series of acceptance and functional test. Okay, testing, debugging, unit testing, integration testing, white box testing, black box testing and all. Okay, that type of test cases, write test cases, test document and all, that will be role and responsibilities. Participate in the creation and enhancement of the continuous integration platform used to test all our project. Let me tell you in simple way, whatever the project you will get, you need to test that project. You need to find out error, you need to debug that code, you need to find out the bug in the project, and then after, if you find out, suppose if you find out 5 bugs in that project, then you need to write or prepare one document, and you need to write the test cases in that. Okay, so that will be your roles and responsibilities. Qualification: 0 to 2 years of experience in Java scripting and manual testing of web based application. Okay, with the test to break attitude. They have already mentioned that if you are having 0 years of experience, then no worry, you can still apply, and if you are having 2 years of experience, then also you can apply. Okay, then good understanding of database, Linux operating system, networking and coding skills are must. UI automation, then pref automation is good to have. Then before attending interview, you can search in Google about this. Must be good in backend testing, which involves Docker container knowledge. Okay, search about this one also, Docker container backend testing. Search this keyword in the Google, then you will get information. Good troubleshooting skills with Kafka and Cassandra technologies. Okay, then again multiple they have mentioned. SaaS experience preferred, then experienced with Apache Tomcat web server, web application development, then must be proficient in XML, HTTP and HTTP protocols, good knowledge of relational database, practical abilities, SQL queries, Oracle 10G and above A+, must be a critical thinker with excellent verbal and communication skills. Suppose if you have done certification in anything like Java, MySQL, HTTP, CSS, okay, then that will be a plus point. Okay, so this is recruitment from Qualys company for software QA engineer. Job location is Pune. They haven't mentioned like batch here, so there is no restrictions of batch. You can directly apply. If you are still a fresher, then also you can apply. So I will provide link in the below description box. Click here to apply for this position. Okay, now we will check the Lois India hiring codathon. Okay, Lois India hiring codathon, and this is online, 0 years of experience. You can check here, they have mentioned, and CTC is not mentioned. Best in the industry, they will provide multiple openings. You can check here, multiple openings. Then they have provided some information about the company here. Eligibility criteria, that is main, graduation year 2022, batch, dear batch 2022, please apply for this position, because this this codathon is or hiring is for your batch. Okay, so please apply. Degree B, BTech streams or branch, computer science, information science, electronics and telecommunication. College or location, pan India. Okay, challenge format phases 1, round 1, date 12 June to 13 June. Format: all registered candidates who are eligible as per the criteria mentioned above can participate in this round. This round consists of 2 programming question on data structure algorithm and 10 MCQ. Okay, round 1 will be 2 programming question plus data structure algorithm 10 question. Okay, during this round you will be asked your preference in the job roles: associate software engineer or data analyst. Okay, as they have mentioned here, multiple openings means they are hiring for associate software engineer as well as data analyst. So as per your preference, you need to give the preference here, whether you want to apply for associate software engineer or whether you want to apply for data analyst. Based on the preference, you give round 1. Based on the preference, you give round 1. You will be invited to the second round if you get shortlisted. If you crack first round, then you will called for second round. Now round 2 for associate software engineer. Okay, if you give preference here for associate software engineer, then they will ask a question, these 2 coding question as well as 10 MCQ based on this profile. If you select data analyst, then they will ask any other pattern. Okay, as per their requirement. Round 2 for those who have selected here associate software engineer, there will be round 2 on 19 June. This round will consist of 2 programming questions on data structure algorithms. And if you have selected data analyst here, on 20 June, this round will consist of MCQ on data interpretation. Okay, if you don't know about data interpretation, please search on Google and prepare for the MCQ. Okay, this position associate software engineer. Then CTC best in industry, they haven't mentioned yet anything. It will be discussed during your HR round. Job location Bangalore. Then key responsibilities, they have mentioned multiple. System integration testing, user acceptance testing, like coding debugging, same. Whatever the software engineer roles and responsibilities, same mentioned here. Then focus on customer, deliver result, take action, show courage, continue learning. Core competencies, these are core competencies that they are requiring. Functional competencies: collaborate, exhibit technology acumen, communicate effectively, demonstrate learning agility, then be adaptable. Okay, then technical what they are expecting: microservices, application development tools, quality engineering, technical troubleshooting, software engineering. Minimum qualification: high school diploma or equivalent. Okay, from diploma candidates also can apply, from diploma to BTech candidates. ME MTech then also apply. Completion of coursework or program focused on software development related skills. Okay, they are mentioned here. If you have done any boot camp, certification program, as I earlier said, if you have done any certification, then that will be your plus point. Coding academy. Okay, if you want to prepare or if you want to get any certificate for any programming language, then search free code camp in Google. You will get one website. Click on that website, register yourself, log in, prepare any software programming language as you want. Then at last completion of the course, you will get the certificate, and that certificate will be a free of cost certificate. Once you complete your course, you will get that certification. Free code camp is the website. Preferred qualification: bachelor degree in computer science or related, 1 year experience in software related field. Okay, they have mentioned 1 year of experience, but yeah, still fresher can apply for this position. Okay, because graduation here 2022 they have mentioned. Okay, graduation year 2022 eligibility criteria they have mentioned here, and current year is 2021. Okay, so that's why fresher are eligible. So, and you can see associate analyst guidelines. Ensure that you are attempting the test using correct mail ID. You must click submit after your answer each question. If you need assistance during test, then click on the question mark. There are multiple guidelines you can read. Okay, then about company, they have provided information about company. Associate analyst, again the job location is Bangalore. Key responsibilities, this will be your job profile. Then again same technical expectation from data analyst: data mining, statistical analysis and measurement, data gathering and analysis, SQL, business data analyst. Again same eligibility criteria: diploma or equivalent, basic understanding of data analysis practices. Okay, so bachelor degree in business, economic, engineering, statistic, data or information sciences or related field. Okay, so this vacancy is for a fresher as well as experienced person. So please apply for this position. Then we will check Android developer vacancy from the Samsung company, Android developer. Okay, so position summary: understand and implement software based requirement accurately in order to provide Android application. Okay, you need to develop app, posted 8 days ago. And then roles and responsibilities they have mentioned: designing Android application, implementation of Android application, securing application quality. Okay, skill and qualification: normally receives detailed instruction on all work. Typical entry point of university graduate, you can check here. Typical entry point of university graduate, they want university graduated fresher candidates they require. So don't miss this chance also, please apply. This requirement is from Samsung for the Android developer. Okay, if you have done certification in suppose Android, that will be a plus point. That will be a plus point from your end. So click on this button and apply. Next recruitment is from Vodafone company for the senior executive engineer trainee, Pune location, posted on 19 May, full-time position and permanent. Now company, about information about the company mentioned here. Job description: IT development engineer, contributes to the development of application product. Again same, a software engineer whatever do, the same responsibilities are mentioned here: coding, debugging, development, deployment, testing and all. Job responsibilities. Okay, these are job responsibilities. Skills: microservices and API, digital experience platform, coding, DevOps, security, cloud, change and adaptability, testing and evaluation, software engineering. Okay, so this one also, this position is for fresher candidates because they have mentioned here engineer trainee, engineer fresh candidates require. So you will get this link in the description box below as well, so please apply. And the last one is from Marriott JW. Many of you know JW Marriott hotel, yeah. Okay, so this position is not in the hotel any. This is for engineering associate. Then schedule full time, relocation no, position type non-management, located remotely no. Then posted on 17th of May. Okay, Marriott hotels, you can read this information. JW Marriott. Position summary: what will be your role once you join? Build, install, repair walls and partitions including drywall, wallpaper. This vacancy is not related to CSIT candidates. Install, repair, finishes, everything they have mentioned. So I found this recruitment, so I'm just showing you. If you are interested, then you can apply. I'm not forcing you to apply for this position. But yeah, don't forget to apply for Atos, Syntel and Mindtree off-campus drive. Okay. CTC is 4 LPA. So please apply tomorrow. 22nd May is the last date to apply for Mindtree off-campus drive. There is no last date mentioned for Atos, Syntel yet, but yeah, please apply for these positions. Don't miss this chance. And remember, one more point is remaining. I will post the aptitude questions for Mindtree as well as Atos, Syntel. Okay, on my YouTube channel I will post. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. You will get all the links in the description box. Go there and please apply for these positions. Okay, and thanks for watching this video.